Welcome to AmeenAcademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu SSLC Maths Textbook Exercise 5.2, question number 7. The line joining the points minus 2a and 9, 3 has slope minus half. Find the value of a. Now, the given points are minus 2a and 9 and 3. 9, 3. Now, line joining the slope of the line joining the points, these 2 points is slope equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. y2 is 3 minus a, x2 minus x1 is 9 minus of minus, that is plus 2, which is the slope is given minus half, which gives 3 minus a over 9 plus 2 is 11 equal minus half. Now by cross multiplying, 2 into 3 is 6, 2 into a is minus 2a equal minus 11. Then 6 plus 11 equal 2a. Then which gives a equal 11 plus 2 is 17, that over 2, 17 over 2. Now question number 8. The line joining through the points minus 2, 6, 4, 8 is perpendicular to the line joining the points a 8, 12 and x 24. Find the value of x. Here question number 8. Let the points are point A is minus 2 and 6. Point B is 4 and 8. And point C is 8 and 12. And point D is x and 24. Now the slope of the line AB, that is slope of the line AB is equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, that is 8 minus 6 over 4 minus of minus 2. 8 minus 6 over 4 minus of minus is plus 2, which is equal 2 over 6, which is equal 1 over 3. Now slope of CD is here y2, that is 24 minus 12 x minus 8. 24 minus 12 over x minus 8, which is equal 12. 24 minus 12 is 12 over x minus 8. Now the line AB and CD are perpendicular, that is given. Therefore AB perpendicular to CD is equal, the product of the slopes is minus 1 for perpendicular lines. So 1 over 3 into 12 x minus 8 equal minus 1. 12 and 3 cut as 4. Now by cross multiplying, 4 equal minus 1 x minus 8. So 4 equal minus x plus 8, because x minus minus plus here. Therefore x come this side, x equal 8 minus 4 equal 4. We got x equal to 4. Then question number 9. Show that the given points from right angled triangle and check whether they satisfy the Pythagoras theorem. The points are given 1 minus 4, 2 minus 3 and 4 minus 7. Question number 9. The points are given. Point A is 1 minus 4. Point B is 2 minus 3 and point C is 4 minus 7. Now we'll find the slope of the line AB. Slope of AB is equal minus 3 of minus 4 to minus of 1. Minus 3 minus of minus 4 is plus 4 over 2 minus 1, which is equal 1 over 1 is 1. Now slope of BC equal, B is here, point C is here, so minus 7 of minus 3, 4 minus 2, that is minus 7, minus of minus 3 is plus 3 over 4 minus 2 is 2, that is minus 4, minus 7 plus 3 is minus 4 and 2, which is equal minus 2. And slope of AC, slope of AC is, A is 1 and minus 4, 4 and minus 7, so minus 7 of minus 4, minus 7 of minus 4, that is plus 4 over 4 minus 1 equal minus 3 over 3, which is equal minus 1. Look at this, slope of AB is 1 and slope of AC is minus 1. Let us multiply both. Slope of AB multiplied slope of AC equal 1 into minus 1, which gives minus 1. So the product of the two slopes is minus 1, so that we can say the line AB is perpendicular to AC. Now AB is perpendicular to AC, therefore triangle ABC is a right triangle. Therefore triangle ABC is a triangle right triangle. That means here AB and AC right angle at A here. Now by Pythagoras theorem, we can say AB square plus AC square equal BC square regarding this figure. Now let us find AB. The line AB is, distance of the line AB is square root of y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Let us write, that is AB equal square root of minus 3 minus of minus 4 the square and 2 minus 1 the square, which is equal 1 square, because minus 3 plus 4 is 1, that square, plus 2 minus 1 is 1 square, square root of 2, which gives AB square equal square root of square root is 2 is 2. Then AC is square root of minus 7, that is y2 minus y1 whole square plus x2 minus x1 whole square minus 4 the whole square plus 4 minus of minus 1 the square, which is equal 7 minus 7 plus 4 is minus 3 whole square, plus here 4 minus 1 the square, that is equal plus 3 square, which is equal 9 plus 9. Square root of 9 plus 9 equals square root of 18, which gives AC square equal 18, because square root of 18. Then next is BC. Look at BC here. The point BC is B is C is here, minus 7 of minus 3 whole square, 4 minus 2 whole square. Then BC is square root of minus 7 the square minus 3 the square plus 4 minus 2 the square equal minus 4 square, that is 16, plus 2 square is 4, which is equal square root of 20, which gives BC square equal to 20. Now by Pythagoras theorem we can say AB square is 2 plus AC square is 18 equal 20. Therefore we can say it is proved. AB square plus AC square equal BC square. Hence proved. Hence proved. Next question. Here, second part of the question. L equal 0, 5, 9, 12, 3, 14. LMN. Now, second part of the question here. Now, like next LM, slope of LM is y2 minus y1, that is 12 minus 5, y2 minus y1, 9 minus 0, x2 minus x1, which is equal 7 minus 9. Slope of Mn equal look at here, Mn means 14 minus 12 and 3 minus 9. 14 minus 12, 14 minus 12 over 14 minus 12, 3 minus 9, which gives 2 over minus 6, which is equal minus 1 over 3. The slope of ln is 14 minus 5 over 3 minus 0, which is equal 9 minus 3, which is equal 3. Now look at the slope. Slope of Mn is minus 1 by 3. Slope of Ln is 3. Multiply both. Slope of Mn into slope of Ln equal minus 1 by 3 into 3, which is equal minus 1. So the product of the two slopes is minus 1. Then we can say two lines are perpendicular to each other. That is, we can say Mn perpendicular to Ln. Now that is here. Mn perpendicular to Ln. that is, this is a perpendicular here. Therefore, now we can use the distance. We can use now the second, suppose point L is here, 0, 5, M is 9 and 12, and N is 3 and 14. Now by Pythagoras we will find distance formula. Mn equal square root of Mn is square root of here 12 minus 14 whole square, 12 minus 14 whole square plus 9 minus 3 whole square. 9 minus 3 the whole square equal, which is equal further, minus 2 whole square, that is 4. 3 minus 9 minus 3 is 6. 6 whole square is 36. Square root of 40. Square root of 40, which is Mn. Therefore, from that, Mn square is 40. Like that, Lm, no, Mn, Nl equal square root of here 5 minus 14, 0 minus 3. 5 minus 14 plus 0 minus 3, the square equal 5 minus 14 is 9. 9 square is 81 plus 9, square root of 90, which gives NL square equal to 90. Like that, next is ML, is the hypotenuse. So 0 minus 12, 0 minus 12 the square, 0 minus 12 the square, no, 5 minus 12 square, sorry. 5 minus 12 whole square and 0 minus 9 the whole square. 0 minus 9 the whole square equal 5 minus 12 is 7. 7 square is 49 plus 9 square is 81. Square root of 130, which gives ml square equal 130. Now by Pythagoras, we can see, by Pythagoras theorem we can see here ml square equal to mn square plus nl square. That means we proved it's a right triangle. That is triangle ML ln m ml square equal to mn square plus nl square. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.